Hi friends, let me show you these FanVince gloves that I received. I bought them for this cold weather. As you can see, they are black, nice. You can use them for most of the tasks that you do, like driving, using tools, cleaning outside with a broom or things like that. And your hands will be protected from cold weather and from minor injuries from using some tools, okay? Other thing interesting is that you can use the touch screen with it, okay? So you can see, I can choose whatever app I want. It works perfectly, okay? So you don't have to get your gloves off to use your touch screen devices. This is really nice. I like it very much because you know the hazard of getting your gloves off and on if you are in the snow, if you are skiing, if you are working to change or manipulate your devices. So these gloves are nice. These ones are black. They have these gripping points also, these great gripping points, so you will have a great grip with any tool, with anything that you grab with them, but you still get the ability to manipulate your screen devices, touch screen devices. If you need gloves for this winter season, these are a nice option. Thank you.